How to fix this person isn't available on Messenger. So in the first step, make sure that specific person is still active on Facebook and has not deactivated their profile. Also, make sure if that person has blocked you on Facebook or not. Now to fix your issue, open Google Play Store or App Store. From here, go to the search and then tap on search bar, then search for Messenger. Tap on the application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it in order to fix app errors and bug issues. You can also tap on uninstall and then reinstall Messenger application again. After this step, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi and network connection. If not, you will be facing such issues on Messenger application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.